Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was given a screen protector for my phone. So we're gonna see what you get in the package and install it together. This is super tough. It is 12 times stronger than standard glass. It can withstand a 12-foot drop with no cracks. Crazy, right? But I think the coolest thing about this is that it comes with this auto alignment frame. So we're gonna go through all of the steps. You're gonna put this on, it's going to install this magically and perfectly, and there will be no bubbles. Now, just in case there are bubbles, it does come with this like little handy dandy scraper tool. And you can also look on the back of the box, and there is a QR code that you can scan to watch an installation video as well. So step one, it comes with this handy dandy little cleaning packet. We're gonna open this up. And it tells you right here, step one and step two. And then we have this dust absorber. Also in the case, you get a second screen protector. So you want to keep this, put everything back in the box and just keep it all handy. It also comes with a second cleaner set, and you're going to want to hold on to the directions as well. Okay, so let's start step one with the wet wipe. And my phone is very dirty, so I'm just gonna wipe that down. Next, it is dry it with the dry wipe. Gonna open that up and dry it. And then I'm going to get my dust sticker, and I am going to get any of the remaining dust off of my screen. This dust part is very important because that is what makes the bubbles, and so it's just like a little sticker that gets all of the dust off. Okay, now I'm nervous about this. So you take the case, it says top right here, so I'm just gonna put that on. You can't really mess this up because it just needs to be at the top. So there it is. I'm gonna push it on there and make sure it's sticking. Okay, now it says pull, let's pull. Kind of nervous. Okay, I had to set it down to pull it out. And now you can see it's kind of sticking to my phone by itself. You need to wait for 5 seconds, and then we're going to take this off. You can see it's kind of peeling off from the top. Unbelievable. It is on there. Okay, you all, I am impressed. I was a little nervous about this. I only got one. What if it didn't work? It works. Amazing. Okay, this is great. It doesn't even look like there's anything on there. I'm absolutely loving it. This is great. This is genius. Someone needs to get an award for this. Definitely check this one out.